Hello and welcome to my video where I will be discussing a few of the features Earth has that makes it a habitable planet. One feature the Earth has is a magnetic field. This helps protect the planet from solar winds and solar bodies, acting as a kind of shield. It also helps retain the atmosphere, which is another important characteristic that makes Earth habitable. The Earth's atmosphere is what allows us to have air to breathe. The Earth is able to have an atmosphere because it has a temperature that allows gas molecules to move at a higher velocity, but also has a strong enough gravitational pull that these gas molecules do not escape. In addition to the oxygen that we breathe, our atmosphere also traps CO2, which plants need to breathe. Our distance from the sun also gives us a temperature that allows liquid water, which we need to drink as well as do plants. That, with the combination of the soil and plate tectonics, is what allows us to live and plants to grow, which supports all the organisms that have been able to live on Earth.